As first teams, we are tasked with spreading the word about our program and STEM education far and wide within our school, our community, our country, and ultimately, the world.
This is a challenge for a small team like FRC Team 4039 MakeShift Robotics.
However, as the famous anthropologist Margaret Mead once said, never doubt that a small group of thoughtful, committed citizens can change the world. Indeed, it is the only thing that ever has.
Over time, a small team can make a difference. Much like how a single droplet falling into water can cause a ripple effect, by progressing through innovation, growth, partnerships, and finding unique ways to demonstrate our passion, we can map out the impact of our small team.
We can stimulate progress through innovation by bringing FIRST into our communities. Taking our outreach to the streets during the pandemic with sidewalk science is something that we continue to use to spread FIRST.
Additionally, our can-crushing, recycling-promoting robot, Crush, meets our goal to improve the environment as we educate crowds about FIRST and the aluminum recycling.
To further grow together, our team members supported 5 FLL teams, doubling last year's efforts. This assistance and mentorship continues in FRC through our off-season event, the STEMLY Cup Championship.
Much of our outreach would not be possible without creating partnerships within our community. Our advocacy within our school board established a practice field to be shared by teams in Hamilton and the surrounding area.
When the provincial championship was held in Hamilton, we arranged for elementary school students to take a field trip to the event, which we will continue in 2024.
All of our efforts would not be possible without the passion of our students, which ultimately drives our agenda.
MakeShift students had an interest in making an impact within biomedical engineering, which led to our work on the Enable Build-A-Hand project, 3D printing prosthetics for those in need.
Making the shift means making robotics inclusive for everyone.
Whether we are motivating girls to take on STEM careers through our Girls Are Brilliant campaign profiling female role models,
Or making events more accessible to team members by introducing Canada to the neurodivergent to FIRST group and augmenting existing quiet rooms with needed resources.
Passion and perseverance is often what is needed to help these voices be heard. 4039 provided multiple STEM and robotics workshops at the Ron Joyce Children's Treatment Center, resulting in them fielding an FLL team this year.
MakeShift imagines supporting STEM and FIRST across the globe, so MakeShift students have brought FIRST to the Dominican Republic, Mexico, and Lesotho, Africa, with a plan to support a team in Uganda in the future.
Because of all these consistent efforts over its lifetime, MakeShift has impacted over 10,300,000 people.
A small robotics team, without a doubt, can change the world. With the help of our friends, MakeShift continues to draw a long-lasting impact, causing a ripple effect from their hometown of Hamilton, Ontario, to shift the perception of science and technology.